How to hide your online status on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can hide our online status on TikTok. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process. So in order to do that, you need to first of all launch your TikTok application. After launching your TikTok application, just make sure you've updated your app. After that is done, you'll be able to see this home screen interface on your screen after you have logged in into your TikTok account. So after that, on the bottom you'll find different kind of options like home, friends, plus, and box, and profile. You're just gonna head over to the profile at the bottom right. After going there, you'll be able to see your profile here. So here you're just gonna head over to your menu bar at the top right. After that, just go to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, you'll be able to find this privacy option. Just click on it, and under private account, this enabling option, you'll be able to see activity status. So you're just going to turn this on if you want people to know that you are active on your TikTok, like you are online in TikTok. If you turn this option, other people will be able to know that you are online on TikTok, like when you are using a TikTok app, if that person's activity status is on as well. If you don't want, you may just turn it off. Otherwise, if you want to keep it turned on, you may just turn on this option. After that, your settings should be done. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to keep your active status online, or you should be able to make sure yourself online on TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.